Corpbiz.
Hey friends, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video, the topic of our discussion will be microfinance company registration. First of all, we'll discuss what is a microfinance company, the microfinance company registration procedure. We'll also talk about the document and the benefit if you're going for the microfinance company registration. So let's begin the video. Microfinance company. The microfinance company is the financial institution which give a small-scale financial services in the form of loan, saving or credit to low-income group individual. Basically, the microfinance company provides services and loan to those type of SME, means the small-scale enterprises and other organizations who find hard and difficult to secure loan facility from the big financial institution or other banks. Microfinance company registration is done through two ways. The first way is through the Section 8 company and the another way of registration is through NBFC. If you are going for the registration through the Section 8 company, then the provision of the Act has to be followed, and if the registration is done through NBFC, then it is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, means the RBI. Section 8 company. So earlier I told you that the microfinance company registration can be done through Section 8 company, but now let's discuss what a Section 8 company characteristics and the benefit if you are going through the procedure of Section 8 company. Characteristic of Section 8 company. Amount of loan provided by the micro credit institution would be up to 50,000 for rural areas, and for urban areas the amount is 1,25,000. Microfinance companies are prohibited from accepting any form of deposit from the public. No minimum capital is required, no RBI approval. The interest rate charged by the microfinance must be reasonable, and the company is non-profit organization. So we have gone through the characteristic of Section 8 company if you are doing the registration of the microfinance company. Now let's discuss regarding the benefit of Section 8 company registration procedure. The first benefit is that it helps in social economic growth. It is the easiest way to start the financial business. No RBI approval is required, no minimum capital of 5 crore is required, and it helps in boosting the business. So the second way for the microfinance company registration is through the NBFC, means the non-banking financial institution, through which the RBI approval is the most important element. Means for the registration procedure you need to comply all the guideline, all the rule regulation approved provided by the Reserve Bank of India, and the minimum net own fund is rupees 5 crore and it's a profit organization. So now we will explain you the two ways through which you can do the microfinance company registration step by step. The first way we will explain you through the NBFC, and the second way will be through the Section 8 company. So let's start. Microfinance company registration procedure through Section 8 company. So now we'll discuss regarding the registration procedure if done through the Section 8 company. The first and foremost step is for the name search and the check availability. You need to check that the name which you decided regarding your company is available or not. After that step, the digital signature certificate is to be collected, submitted for the promoter profile. After the DSC step, what you need to do is fill the SPICE form and obtain the certificate of incorporation and open a bank account. Then the company must draft the article of association or the memorandum of association along with the certain document which are listed as below. PAN card copy of all directors, promoters, documents for address proof, photograph of all directors and promoter, proof of ownership of registered office or rental agreement for the same, NOC from the owner, any other document which is required and mandatory. Once the company is incorporated, you can start your business as a microfinance. Microfinance company registration as an NBFC. Microfinance company registration as an NBFC, the first step what you need to do is get your company registered under the Companies Act, then the name search and check availability, digital signature certificate for the promoter's profile, then fill the SPICE form which fall under the MCA services. Next step is to obtain the certificate of incorporation, then open a bank account and attach all the documents which are required as follows. Collect document to file with RBI, certificate of incorporation, memorandum of association and article of association, copy of FD receipt, banker's report, board resolution under MFI activities, auditor's report, business plan, KYC of directors and shareholders, director profile, registered office proof, KYC of promoters and NOC from company. In the next step, the applicant has to make an online registration application with RBI. He would receive a reference number. After the reference number, what next you have to do is the applicant has to submit all the documents along with the reference number and the application to the regional office of the RBI. Then the scrutiny, the verification process will arrive with the due diligence, and if everything goes well, your microfinance company get registered. I hope you get all the information regarding the microfinance company registration. Either it's done with the RBI, means with NBFC, or it's done through Section 8 company. In future, if you are planning for the microfinance company registration, what you need to do is fill the form which appears on your screen, and once you fill all the detail, a call is done by our expert team and your work will be done by our legal expert team covering all the legal proceeding and the document process. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.